As you can see on the clock, it's almost 99,800 kilometers. Only 200 to go for 100,000 kilometers on this car. This is great car, and very trusted, daily driven Corolla. I am doing some of the work, like doing something on the suspension on the front side of it. Changed the shock absorbers with the spring and the mounting, as well as changed all the link rods and stuff, bushings and stuff, and then also changed the brake disc, and the what do you say, how do you say this, the piston and all those parts that comes with it. So it has a better brake now. I have more confidence, and of course it's clocking 100,000 kilometers. You need to do things like that so that you feel confident on the road, and you can be safe. Next on my list is just changing the tires, putting on some fresh rubber on it, and actually, yeah, that's it basically. Changing the brakes on the back, the brake shoes. This is something very risky that I'm doing right now. Well, good luck, boy. Zoom past it, and I'm gonna brake, put it on the turn, right turn, zoom past this one as well, from the middle, zoom past it. The suspension is working great. Nice. Those bumps are like easy to handle for this right now. Previously it would have been like slowed down a little bit, sluggish, and used to bounce a lot. Now it's responding to the terrain quite well, and at the same time the brake is amazing. Yeah, Ishibano or Ikebano, something like that. I checked it out on the Google. It's kind of the best Japanese brake, aftermarket brake that they have right now. This is good. I like it, like the setup. And interesting fact is, in Bangladesh we have like spare parts from all over the world. Like there is a car that has been scrapped, or there is an accident, they take the good parts and ship it off to Bangladesh. Then we can buy those original little used, at least half-life or maybe 60% life still left, for a very cheap price. See, nice. The only problem right now is that the alignment is not precise. There is something happening here right now, 16th of December. The alignment is not right. It's a little tilted on the left. So tomorrow is Victory Day, and look at that, the green, the red, it's all light up. This is the Parliament House of Bangladesh, and people, everybody came here because tomorrow morning we're gonna have the rally. They're gonna paint this entire road, and with motif. The Parliament House is in red and green. You can see, I guess. I hope you can see. There's cars. This is our flag. This is a proud national moment for us. On top of that, yes, put it up high on the sky. Nice. And on top of that, Argentina won the game. This is more than like what we asked for. Argentina won the semi-final. They're now gonna play the final. Check this out, the red and greens. And tomorrow is the victory day. So amazing weekend, and we're waiting for the final, which is between France and Argentina. Otherwise, if it was not France, it would have been Morocco, which is a good team, came to semi-final, but not as good as France. So we're expecting a exciting game. May the best team win, but we're at finals. The Argentinian team that 80% of Bangladesh supports. That's it. So quite few things. 100,000 kilometers on the dash. Victory day, Argentina winning. All lining up pretty well. Okay, coming back. A little tuning required. A little on the right, so that it's perfect. You can see it came down. Oh, well, I don't know actually. Okay, let's test the sprint. The brake is fantastic. There's no sound, no noise, except for one tiny thing that I didn't change because it's pretty expensive and I couldn't find any good reconditioned parts the version of it. It is the steering box. The steering box is quite okay. It's very smooth, but there's a slight noise coming out of it, which is only happening when I'm going through, I mean, very rough derbies or places. Only then. Otherwise it's all good. So I'm not changing it for now because it doesn't affect any handling or braking. So I'm gonna keep it as it is. And yeah. Okay, let's get back where we came from. Nice. I'm testing the pickup, how fast the car accelerates, and there are some potholes here. The car feels nimble but quite tight at the same time. It doesn't swivel a lot. It's planted and the brake is good. Perfect. I'm happy with the setup. Sorry for my dusty window. It's sorry I couldn't clean it properly. It was coming from somewhere and it needed to be this is interesting. What is that? I think that's their version of a sun, so that they can work here. I don't know. It was funny. It's definitely not electricity. It was something else. Okay, they're constructing the metro rail, which is gonna open. What we're gonna do is we're gonna reach to 80 or 90 kilometers on this stretch and see how it if there is any vibration or the braking is perfect. Here we go. Fields planted. Sharp. I have to brake. Yeah, no problem at all. This was good. Let's do another run and call it a day. Let's make it neon run. I'm letting them go. Tight. Nicely done. This is a sharp one. Good job, car.